Hello and welcome to Henry's Watches. This is my very first video and you're watching at a package from Israel. So that's gotta mean one thing, right? It's from eBay and it's a watch. So let's get on with it. But first let me show the watch I'm wearing right now. So the Certina DS2 I got from Grandpa. So let's get on with the unboxing. So as you can see, I already opened it a bit, so unboxing would be a bit easier. And there it is, the Casio wallet, suede wallet, bag. I have actually no idea what it's called. It's also not a watch roll. And there it is, the watch itself. Okay, that's empty, I guess. No instructions. Not that I would intend of reading them, but fair enough. There it is. Let's get it out. It looks actually pretty decent. So it has applied indices, a printed logo, a day and a date complication, high polished mid links. For this price point, you got your reference and you got the rest of the hand tag. So it's actually not bad for the money. I've spent, I believe, 40 bucks on this on eBay. They are hard to find. They are kind of hot, I believe, but not really that much because I don't see them a lot on Instagram or YouTube. But let's remove this first. So maybe I should, yeah, there we go. So I can fit it around my wrist. Away you go. And there it is. Let's put it on my wrist. And that shows it's actually meant for an ankle. But let's just remove the plastics and the hand tag. Come on. Get off. These are always the hardest parts on watches. This is not working out well. Let me just slide it. You know what? I'm gonna get my scissors. Like that. And please. Yes, there we go. So there it is. I'm gonna size up this bracelet and I will be back in a couple of minutes, I think, or seconds, who knows. And there it is. So there we go. Here's my first wrist shot with the bracelet size up. It was a real pain in the ass. So 36 or 37 mil, I believe. Let's zoom in, stop zooming, and we zoomed too far. So let's get it out. And as you can see, those indices and hands look actually pretty amazing. I believe we have a bit of real lume on the hands as well. So let's zoom out. I'm actually pretty amazed by the quality. And as you can see, some links had to be removed. My wrists are not the thickest, but they're not small either. So I believe it's just, I don't know. Anyway, so there we go. As you can see, in a week or so I will be releasing a full review, and this was, as you know, the unboxing. So stay tuned for that. Like, subscribe and hit that like button.